Hello guys, it's Graham the Bargain Guy on his YouTube channel with another bargain from Temu. This time something a bit more mechanical, electrical, practical, and something that's a bit more serious. It's not something that you would like laugh about or joke, and you have to handle it with care and attention. So here we go. It is an angle grinder from Temu. Can you believe that? They sell angle grinders. Now, angle grinders are very useful for cutting things, cutting through chains, cutting, polishing metal. And so the idea is you can put loads of different pads on and it spins really fast and it does what it does. So this one is from Temu, as I said. And what I'm going to do is just quickly unbox it. So that's it there, and it's got a canny little weight to it, and it also comes with its own 12-volt battery. A lot of power tools now, you have to use like a branded battery, don't you, like a Makita or whatever, Milwaukee. So that comes with that, and it fits in, and there we go, and that's your guard. Now it doesn't come with any blades or attachments or any kind of scrubbing pads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens to put one on, and then we'll do a quick demonstration. I'm not going to show you them with the blades on. They do work and they're quite dangerous, but I don't want to do it indoors here in case there's any sparks in the motorhome. I've got gas and stuff. You know it's turned off. I've got gas bottles nearby, and it's really warm, so I don't want to jeopardize anything. So just 1 second and I'll get the kit ready. Okay, so what we've got here is it comes with an Allen key, and what you do is you can use a spanner or you can just hold it and it'll undo, and you take that off. So this little fella comes out. So we're going to fit a sanding pad. Right, so I've got the screw in, just hand tight it. Oh, slightly off center, that's right. Hand tighten it. I'm going to hold that and just turn the Allen key. It doesn't have to be really tight, it's just sort of like hand tight, isn't it? So there you can see it's on. So we'll give it a blast. Oh, it's really powerful. Temu have a kit of 10 blades, and these are all 3-inch blades, and you can, or discs, and you can buy these at your normal B&Q and them kind of places, but I got them from Temu. They sent them separately on a different order. Look at that, blooming lethal. So they do a selection of different discs, carbide discs, I think they said that one was, and you get 10 in the pack, and the pack costs £6. I know Parkside at Little's, they are doing the same price for a pack. I don't think they're multi-pack, they're just like all the same, so you can't get them from there. This one is USB chargeable, and the barrel jack just fits into the grinder. Now, how much do you think that is? Tell us that now. Bear in mind, those accessories were £6. How much was that? And it's really good plastic and thick, and it's really nice rubberized part and a decent battery on it. Okay, I'll put you out in misery. If I said to you it was less than 50 quid, would you still buy it? Possibly, but you'd probably go for one local. What about if I said it was less than £25, would you still buy it? I think you'd be interested, wouldn't you? Right, so special bargain. This come in at £9.98. Can you believe what I'm telling you? This was less than a tenner for that. And it's some weight. And you heard it going round. It was quite noisy. When you've got them blades on there, just as powerful and strong. So I can see lots of uses for this. This is ideal for me in the caravan and the motorhome, because if I need to cut a piece of wood up, it could be for a barbecue fire or whatever, anything like that, or just some quick repairs because of damage due to the weather. I can just get this out and use it in there, and I won't have spent like hundreds and hundreds of pounds on buying like a full kit and all the rest that goes with it, because they are quite expensive. But this is just ideal for the hobbyist. There are other uses for this, and I'm not going to say what they are, but if you need to cut metal for any reason, there you are, you've got the tool involved. So it comes with a box, and it's got like a foam insert, but you may want to purchase an additional box or bag to pop this in, just to keep it safe. But honestly, a tenner, can't believe it. Right, like and subscribe.